Sure. You can start. Sure.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Uh-huh. Okay. Oh my god. Are you in? Okay.
So I'm here to wash my car. See?
Yeah, where you been? Yeah, I know that kid.
Hey bestie, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making video, which is cooking video. I just from buying the food, I'll put a video in there too, so you guys can be able to see the process of everything. So I want to go shopping. We want to church first, but I didn't record that, so you know some things you gotta keep it private. But I do because certain part of the road and stuff. So yeah. So here and cooking. This is the fish. This is why I will use it. I will show you guys pretty much good view of that. This is the chicken. I don't know why. I don't know if that only me can call it African chicken. I always call it African chicken. So, I always call it African chicken. How you guys doing, bestie? I hope you guys having a very amazing day. Are you cooking, watching movie, or maybe watching me right now? I'm not putting like too much chicken in. I have to wash it. After I green fry some meat because I want to eat it. So I'm gonna fry some meat just like that and eat it before I start to pop all my stuff in. And this is the rest of the chicken. I'm gonna put it back in my freezer. I'm taking the water from it. I'm gonna put it back in my freezer and keep it and be cooking it. Yes. So right now, this is the meat that I'm going to fry. I'll be frying it so I can be able to eat it like that. Then from there, after frying the meat, I start to parboil everything. So I had two type of fish. Yeah, it's the first fish. I'm gonna season it. Yeah, it's the second fish. This one I'm gonna wash it and clean it yet, but this one is clean already. So I'll be using this seasoning to season my meat and the fish and the rest of the food. So I just buy it because the first one finished. Not like buy it today, but it's new. So, oh my god, bestie, I just wasted stuff. Yeah, you good? Okay, so let's season. My daughter, she's talking. She with her dad, like she's very active. She's with her dad having fun. She's like, mommy, mommy. If you guys kids are like love calling you, she love calling me mommy, mommy. She feels so excited doing so, and that makes me happy that she love calling me. She love being around me, but sometimes it can be like annoying, like because she just calling me all the time. Okay, I put the seasoning on the fish. The other fish I will soon wash it because I put it over there and stuff. She play with that light again. Riri, why are you playing with the light? Oh no. Yeah. Stop playing with the light. Riri. Riri. She's not hearing me at all. You're welcome. She's like, thank you, mommy. I don't even know what I do for her to say thank you, but anyway. Okay, bestie. So here is it already seasoned. The fish is seasoned too. I'll fry the fish, and I have one more fish to wash and season it. Then for now, I season the rest of the stuff. Yeah. So now you gonna get along to see the process of me frying. This is already clean, so I'm just gonna make it hot. Okay, I have to close this, and I have to get all. I'm trying to open it this time. I have to wipe it first. So I'm gonna let it get hot, then to the frying. Riri, what's going on? This is right now. I'm going to season my stuff. Here's everything in there. It looks pretty much good, right? I have a lot of particle stuff, so I'm seasoning my food to parboil it. This is the season. I have everything, so that's why I always just use this and this because it already had like almost everything. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm seasoning and then like a parboil. This is the second fish. I already seasoned it And now I'm frying the meat. After it's done, I will start to peel the cassava and I will show you guys everything, okay? Don't go. Stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Malaika. This place is very much safety free. If you have always been watching me, thank you so much. I hope you can stay and finish my video. If you're new here, can you please watch my video from start to end and give me a like? So today I'm just, cooking food for me and my family. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't go. There is more to come. Stay tuned. Okay? Okay, bestie. So right now I'm gonna let it boil very well, and then I start to do the rest of the cooking. My meat is already good. I like it like this, so I'm just gonna take it from there and start to eat it. This one's the one I'm gonna cook. Yeah. There's the cassava. I'm going to wash it clean and peel it off. But for now, I have to turn to my daughter first, okay? Don't go, bestie. Stay tuned, okay? Okay, it's boiling. I can wait for it to be done so I can start the rest of the cooking. But it's boiling pretty much good. Right, bestie? So right now the stuff is already parboiled, as you can see, so hot. I'm taking it for in a pot so I can be able to fry the fish. So let's go, bestie. I have too many particles in this food. It's so plenty. It's so plenty, guys. Cooking so big and heavy for my family. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. We thank Jesus for providing this food today. Okay, so now I'm going to let the pot get hot. Let me take this one here. And then I'm going to put the oil in it so I can start frying. Guys, don't go. Stay. Can you please watch my video from start to end? And I hope I can get a good like. This won't finish, but I do have some oil, a small little bit of oil. So yeah. Here's the fish I'm gonna be frying. And I already so you know what I did, guys? I parboil everything and I put my pepper in it when I parboil in it. I do have pepper grinder. Yes, a small one. I think I need to charge. Okay. I need to charge. And I have the big one. So let me show you guys it. There's the big one. Yeah. After I'm done frying the fish and I start to cook, I want to cook my rice in my rice cooker so it can be fast instead of cooking it in the pot. Oh my god, my bone just fall. I have to put this in the trash. So this is everything here, the stuff that I parboiled. Oh, I can't wait to give you guys a better view of this. So here's the fish. I'm gonna let it fry pretty much good, and then as the one down fry, like I'm gonna turn it over for it to fry. So that I get one more fish to fry. After that, I start, doing my cooking. And then because I have to peel the cassava. Now I shouldn't forget, but yeah, I have to peel it. There is the pepper I put in here. Okay, bestie. So this is the second fish I'm frying. The first one already fried. I'm on the second one. After it, I start cooking. I can't wait to be done. Yeah. So yeah, don't go, bestie. We're still cooking, okay? So right now, I'm trying to my peppers, and I'm trying to fix my stew. Why is it popping so much? This is the tomato I'll be using. Hey, repeat, take your music, Isa. Take your music, Isa. I'm sorry, bestie. My son, I want me to play the song near me because I am recording. So now I already put the tomato in there. I'm just going to allow it boil. Start. This is the stuff that I pepper. I'm going to use small of the water, put it in the bowl because I have pepper in there. So I'm just going to put a bit in the bowl and then mix it out there so it can be able to boil. So I put the pepper on the tomatoes because I'm cooking a pepper stew. I'm going to let it boil. Then I come back. Put the oil in here. I'm going to wash this. Okay, bestie. I just wanted to boil a little bit before I put the rest of the stuff in it. So as you can see, it's the pepper stew. It's the okay, pretty much good so far. Pretty much good. I just gonna put, because for me, I love to put all my ingredient, like my particles and stuff in it before I start to season it. So so the chicken, the fish, everything can have, most especially the chicken and stuff, so it can be able to get the taste of the season. You know what I mean, right? It's the fish stuff. Now I'm gonna put it in there. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna put the stuff in there. Too much, too much, too much. I have made everything in it. I want to slice, so I have to go on the side to slice. Okay. That's me. I have to leave the food so you can slice in the food. You know, not just your family can eat your food. Sometimes other people can eat your food too. So. I have chicken feet. I think it's Sperry. Yeah. Not, I hope not getting it wrong because I always like kind of struggle to cut it in. But I do have like almost everything. I have dry bone, everything in it too. Ooh, this is so good. I have to bring this one over here. It's the fish. But for now, I have to put this one because I have to let it boil before I can season it. And then from there, I don't know if I have rice, but I'm going to check if I have rice already cooked, because if I do have cooked rice, I'm not going to cook no rice. We're going to eat that. But if I don't have cooked rice, I'm going to cook rice. Because, you know, you can spoil food. So if I have rice that I already cooked, because usually I always cook my rice in the rice cooker, and sometimes it can be there and warm it. I always like cook my rice and put it somewhere and just pack it and keep it. So if I do have like rice that is already done, I'm not cooking any rice in that rice cooker again. I'm just going to make the rice warm and we're going to eat it. But if I don't, then I'll cook rice, because you don't want to keep spoiling food, right? It's not good. Because sometimes you got to eat the one that you have before you cook new one, so you can spoil anything. Oh my god, it looking so good. This is the water. See, I'm just gonna put it in it because the water tastes good, so it can make the soup taste good. Okay, I will show you guys the Isa how it look right now. So I'm just going to allow it boil, and then yeah. This is it right now because I just put it in there. So, but I'm going to cover it and let it boil. When it start boiling, I will show you guys how the process going. Don't go bestie, okay? But it looking pretty much good. So this is the cassava. Right now I'm going to wash it. So I'm putting it to the hot area so it can be able to wash good. I'm going to wash it clean and then cut it. After I finish cutting it, I'm going to wash it again. So I just want washing it with a very much hot one. So now make it warm. I'm going to cut it now, and I have to look for where to put it. Yeah, very fresh. Like a very fresh cassava. have to try one. I have to taste it. It looks like it will be sweet. Yeah. It's just good. It's just good, guys. It's so good. I'm looking for both. I will show you guys everything after I'm done, okay? Uncle, stay right here, bestie. Okay. So it's my air condition sign in case you hear it. My soup is doing pretty much good. Okay. Okay, bestie. So right now I'm gonna let it boil so well and then season it, okay? Don't go, bestie. Bestie, this is the cassava. I wash it first before I peel it, then I wash it again. It tastes very much good. I can't wait to boil it. Yeah, I will show you guys the process. Good. Don't go, besties. I'm still cooking. Okay, besties, as you can see, this is the food. It's dry. This is the oil. It tastes good. It look good. Don't go. We still got more content to add on it, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like my video. If you are new here, welcome so much. My name is Malaika. This is my channel here, and I hope you really do love my content. Please like my video. If you're always watching, thank you so much. I hope you can continue watching all of my video. Don't go. We have this to boil, so don't go. You want to see the process, okay? This is on steam. Don't go, bestie. Thank you, bestie. So I just put the cassava in the water. I already poured the salt. I put the salt in the water first before I put the cassava. Then I put another salt over the cassava, so it can be tasting good. So now I'm gonna let it boil, and I will show you guys the process when it boils, and I will show you guys after I'm done with it. Don't go, okay? Hey bestie, as you can see, the cassava is boiling. I need to get a spoon, guys. It's boiling so well. Let me get a spoon, okay? Hey bestie, you see the cassava? It looks so good, right? It's getting soft. I want to let it boil a little bit, and then from there take it from there and put it in the bowl for my family. After I done boiling it, I will show you guys. Don't go. The soup is here. It's already done. Maybe I'm just gonna make it hot a little bit and put the soup there in the bowl, okay? Then we eat. Hey bestie, so this is the cassava. It's hot though, and it's so soft. Oh my god, it's so good. So we're gonna eat it, and I'm making the soup a little bit hot, small, but the soup is all good. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like my video. Please watch my video from start to end. Please share my video. Thank you, bestie. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you, and God bless you guys, and God bless this video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye, bestie. Bye bye.